Your car can do so much more than just get you from A to B. These are 11 gadgets that make every drive safer, cleaner, and a whole lot more comfortable. Let us get into it. Starting strong with the ROVE R2 4K dash cam. This little camera records in crisp 4K detail, so if anything happens on the road, you have clear, time-stamped proof, license plates and all. It even sees clearly at night thanks to a low-light sensor, and it loops automatically, so you never run out of space. Honestly, this is the one upgrade every driver should have. Next up, if your car does not have CarPlay, this portable wireless screen adds it instantly. Just mount it on your dash, connect your phone, and you have navigation, music, and hands-free calls on a big, bright touchscreen. No expensive head unit install, no wiring nightmare. It is the easiest way to bring an older car into the modern age, and it works with both iPhone and Android. Number 3 is the Cobra RAD 480 radar detector. It gives you an early heads up on radar and laser ahead, so you have time to check your speed and drive safely. It filters out false alarms from other cars' systems, and it even flags red light and speed camera zones. For anyone who does a lot of highway miles, this can pay for itself the very first time it saves you. If you take road trips with kids, these FANGOR headrest screens are a lifesaver. They clip onto the back of your seats and turn long, restless drives into movie time. They play from USB, SD card, HDMI, and your phone, so everyone in the back stays happy and quiet. Setup takes just a couple of minutes, and trust me, the peace it buys you is worth every penny. These Rhino USA retractable ratchet straps solve a problem we all hate: tangled, messy tie-downs. They retract back into themselves like a seatbelt, so they are always neat and ready to go. They are seriously strong for hauling cargo, kayaks, or furniture, and the soft grip is easy on your hands. If you have ever fought with a knotted strap in a parking lot, you will love these. Number 6 is a genuine garage essential, this Powerbuilt heavy-duty jack. It lifts your vehicle quickly and holds it rock solid, so changing a tire or doing a quick repair is far safer and easier. It is built tough, stores compactly in your trunk, and it is exactly the kind of tool you are really glad to have the day you actually need it on the side of the road. This MONOZEL cordless vacuum keeps your car interior spotless without dragging out a bulky machine. It is powerful enough to pull up crumbs, dust, and pet hair, yet small enough to live right in your glove box. The clear cup makes emptying easy. The multiple nozzles reach every crack and cup holder, and since it is cordless, there are no wires to fight with. Quick, satisfying, and genuinely useful. If your trunk is chaos, this collapsible organizer fixes it instantly. It has got sturdy walls and adjustable dividers to keep groceries, tools, and gear from sliding around every time you turn. When you do not need it, it folds completely flat, and there is even a leak-proof section for cold items. It is a small thing that makes your whole car feel cleaner and more put together. Number 9 is a smart upgrade for your senses, this Ultrasonic Car Air Freshener. Instead of those overpowering hanging trees, it releases a soft, adjustable mist of scent, so your car smells fresh and clean, not artificial. It is whisper quiet, looks sleek on your dash, and you control exactly how much fragrance you get. A little luxury that makes a big difference on every drive. For the road trippers and campers, this solo stove campfire and pot combo is a must-pack. It burns wood super efficiently with almost no smoke, boils water fast, and the pot nests right inside for compact storage. Whether you are making coffee at a trailhead or cooking dinner at camp, it turns your car into a base camp for adventure. Tough, clever, and built to last. And finishing our list, the Nmoiss windshield sunshade. Park in the sun and your car turns into an oven, but this blocks the heat and harmful UV, keeping your interior cool and protecting your dash from cracking and fading. It folds down small, pops open in seconds, and fits snugly against the glass. Simple, cheap, and you will feel the difference the moment you get back in. And that is our list, 11 gadgets that genuinely make car life better. Every product is linked in the description below, so go check them out. If this helped you, hit subscribe. We drop new car gadget videos every week. Drive safe, and I will see you in the next one.